हेलो नमस्ते। आज हम स्ट्रेचेस करने जा रहे हैं। स्ट्रेचेस इज नॉट अ पॉज फ्रॉम योर स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग और योर कार्डियो वर्कआउट। इट्स एक्चुअली असेंशियल टू योर रूटीन। इससे आप अपनी मोबिलिटी, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, मसल्स, जॉइंट्स सब पे काम करते हैं। इससे आप अपने रेंज ऑफ मोशन को बढ़ाते हैं। दिस ओनली हेल्प्स यू एड into your other workout that you do. So don't forget to add the stretches into your routine. It's very important. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
In the stories that we say, someone's waiting to be told. The act encompasses the play. We watch the scenes we live unfold. It's in the stories that we say, like someone's waiting to be told. The act encompasses the play. We watch the scenes we live unfold. If it's silent in dismay, it won't break this feeling down. If I conquer this my way, I'd devour, I'd surround. If it hurts you just a little, then it heals you when it's done. Disappointment is the anchor, resolution is the sun. it's silent in dismay, it won't break this feeling down. If I conquer this my way, I'd devour, I'd surround. If it hurts you just a little, then it heals you when it's done. Disappointment is the anchor, resolution is the sun.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are see the fire in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night.
Well done, my friend.
Thank you for joining me today. See me soon for another fantastic workout. Bye now.